Everyone tells me everything she thinks.
When to become
Black Week special for my keto diet.
Oh my God!
No, come on, get excited. Do you have honey?
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
I don't have honey at daycare.
You don't have honey at daycare?
No.
Just at home? I think it's the first time we've put it on toast. Do you love it?
I don't have toast at daycare.
No, we don't have toast at daycare. And what do you got in there?
Food powder.
Greens powder. Can you say welcome back to our channel?
Welcome to my channel.
Hope you enjoy watching.
Watching.
Go on then. You just ask if you can get wet. Ah! Are you getting wet? Turn around. Are you getting wet?
Oh yeah.
No. Look at that greens powder. I'm gonna need to wipe your face. No, you can leave them on. Wow, it's getting heavier.
You need to pull up.
It is. Wow. Rain. Tash. No boom boom, just rain. Oh, getting heavier.
Gonna get heavy soon.
Yeah.
That heavier.
Good morning, everyone. And if oh my God, I just choked on my, what did I even choke on? I don't even know. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Nat and I are about to go to the shops to get a couple of things, and then we have back-to-back meetings, but something exciting is happening in our office today, so
Not excited.
this one is so cranky because she doesn't know what it is. She's literally,
Everyone tells me everything she thinks. And they do everything except for this, which has really pissed me off.
she's actually really angry because she doesn't know.
Yeah, and I even did a whole like, oh my God, Dagan, that's not even funny. Like, why would why would they even do that? Stupid. to try and, like-
Dagan's like, Nat will not leave me alone. She's harassing me. I was like, because she's nosy. She wants to know everything, which I do too. And I know and you don't. But you guys will see and probably guess by the thumbnail, but it's going to be exciting to watch.
What's the thumbnail?
See. You think I'm going to tell you that? I can't wait to see
Why
the reaction.
can't I know? Does anybody else know?
Yeah. One other person.
Steve.
2 other people.
No, message to Steve. He'll tell me. Tells me everything.
You have to get warmed up for today. That's what you just said to me.
Yeah, because Renee and I are doing karaoke
At the office.
at the office because I'm actually a really good singer and I feel like I'm getting my falsetto better. Did you not see the snaps? You didn't reply to them. So awkward. I was like, fuck, I just sent you 3 minutes
Oh my
of like singing. You didn't respond.
Oh
I was
my
like,
God.
wow, it mustn't have been very good.
I'm so sorry because when people don't reply to my snaps, I get so cut. I'm so sorry. We watched them, me, Steve and Taj all watched them together, and then I had to put Taj was having a bath. I was like, I'll reply to her later, and I forgot. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. They were amazing, like so beautiful.
I'm really getting the falsetto. I don't know if that's the word for it, but
What does that mean? You might have to demonstrate.
I'm not warmed up today.
No, it was louder, wasn't it? Like, hey!
I'm trying to do it nicer. Fuck.
I thought you had more grunt last night.
Yeah, well,
You're trying to soften the tone.
I really gotta, you know, save my voice for today.
Okay, well I look forward to it. It's an exciting day in the office today, that is for sure. See you, girl! Your time to shine. Hey, boy. I'll show you mine and I'll show you yours. Got the left hand. Hey, hey, hey. Let the sun begin. Hey, I'm a wolf today. Hey. So, Nat, are you getting nervous or excited for something that's happening today?
No, you're right.
No, you're not. You can't lie to me. Renee, something's happening today.
If it's what I think it is, are we actually doing it?
Oh,
Karaoke thing.
karaoke's happening.
No, babe, that's not the thing.
There's something else happening today.
See, what happened was I had the thing, and then I was like, I'm gonna put this, and it's gonna be our thing to top whatever.
I thought this was all about us.
So we can both
No,
getting sick and tired of your selfish ways.
life's not all about you, Nat.
I told Dave, I said to Dagan yesterday someone's quitting, and she said, what? As in you. Could be. Who knows?
There might be tears today. There might be tears.
Because of Nat's bad
Dagan,
voice.
how do you feel about something coming today?
Is it like a
I think
skeleton?
it'd be interesting. I'm especially excited to see Nat's reaction, to be honest.
Stefan?
I'm gonna make sure I'm not dramatic.
I have no idea what's happening.
No idea, you
but
don't.
I
Why
have
am I
some
not
suspicions.
Got suspicions?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But we'll see.
Let's hear
We'll
it.
see.
No, don't ruin it. I don't reckon.
5, 6, 7, 8.
A sample.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Double time.
Have you got your boot off?
No.
Oh, God.
I might take it off for a special occasion.
Are you
though.
just gonna count? Are you just gonna count?
I'm one of those people
Get
when
up.
I dance, I go. I count it as I go.
Oh, my God. Tragic. Meanwhile,
I don't want Levi.
get your shit together, girls.
Good,
Come
I'm
on.
happy to go.
No.
Call me back in once the meeting's back on.
Come on, choose your song.
I actually can't hear out of this here anyway.
You have amped this up all morning.
I'll go come in here.
All right.
Oh.
Lauren. No, Taylor.
Are we ready, girls?
No, Taylor's on the left.
Here we go.
Two, though. Okay, this is happening, guys. Ready?
Go.
Wow. Candlelight and slow forever. Dream of you and me together. Say you will be there. Say you will be there.
Louder.
I can't read properly. Danger, be for real, don't be a stranger. We can achieve it. We can achieve it. Come a little bit closer, baby. Get it on, get it on. 'Cause tonight is the night when two become one. It's time for us to get a thing love before. Coming back to your baby. Now back for more. This one's for you, Tay. Just it's the only way to be. The games
We don't need another
playing, empty words we're both saying. We work it out, boy. Let's work it out, boy. Endeavor, boys and girls, feel good together. Oh, leave it, take it or leave it. Are you gonna remember, baby? Get it on, 'cause tonight is the night when two become one. Love like I never did before. Wanna make love to you. Take it away now. Gotta make love to you, baby. Your spirit free.
Okay.
It's the only way to be.
All right, I think that's good. Well done, girls. Yes.
I'm so sorry.
Good work. Good work. I feel like I could have warmed up.
Taylor,
I'm really
what do you think?
sorry.
Yeah, I wasn't ready.
Oh, that was amazing.
And
That
not
was
just
so
song.
good.
How
Yeah.
many out of 5? Like,
And food has arrived.
No, I
He
caught all
could hear it. What did you think?
Ballet down the street.
three? 3 out of 5?
yeah.
And I had a better song, but Nat doesn't like it.
Oh, look at this! Holy
Yes.
smoke delivery! I'm actually getting so hot. You have to like.
Oh! Whoa! Get it on! Get it on! I'll take the shirt. I see what the surprise is now.
What? Who's pregnant? What? Oh yeah, no. This is not a burrito. It's real. I'm slowly growing. Oh my god! So there is an actual surprise. It's not just their singing.
Congrats!
Your face, Nat, I was like, is she gonna get happy for her? I was like, bitch. I thought you were joking. Your face, I was like, Nat, come on, get excited.
I've been feeling so.
You bitch! We all knew except for you.
Round two.
Oh my god! That's insane.
You were just joking.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, Sal.
I thought Nat was
Yay!
And then this shirt, I was like, why did it say Regan? I was
I was like wearing this sweater. I'm like, I'm so hot. I need to take this off.
way to save the team meeting, I reckon.
Yeah, saved it. I got 5 stars. So
How far?
I've been really sick, as you know, and I really did have pneumonia. But it was during the blood test that I found out I was also pregnant. And I'm like, and then they're like, oh yeah, no antibiotics. And I'm like, I'm dying.
well, guys,
I'm dying.
we've got another surprise. It's getting hot in here, Nat. What's on your bikinis?
You look very red.
But yeah, so 15 weeks.
What?
Thank you.
15.
I know.
What does that make? It's like a barley baby.
I was gonna say it's pretty sure.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Free drinks. Don't do
There was
that.
another one that got pregnant in barley too.
Who?
It was another people.
Way too much alcohol that night, so thank you. Or not thank you, I'm really not sure. But yeah, that's when you do the nights.
Yay!
I'm pretty sure it was your wedding night.
She's pregnant! So we are back from our team meetings now. Steve has gone to pick up little Taj, and I thought I would quickly make 2 keto recipes. One is a keto smoothie, and one is like a little margarita pizza. They're both really easy to make. Now, keto is not something for everyone. It serves its purpose, and it's got different reasons for why you might want to try it, but it's definitely something that people are becoming way more aware about and way more interested about, which is awesome. Now, personally, I don't follow keto, but a lot of the girls in the forum are loving it, and Levi, our naturopath and nutritionist, created a 28-day keto plan, which girls are getting legit like amazing results over. And it's so cool because for girls that have tried so many diets or tried just plain clean eating or cutting things out and they feel like giving up, they try keto and it actually works for them. It's really cool to just see their posts in the forum and see their transformation and just finding what works for them. We find it's not a one size fits all, and that's why in our squad app we have so many options available, whether it's vegan, vegetarian, no seafood, no dairy, FODMAP friendly, keto. We've got different challenges, so you can find what fits right for you and what feels good for you and what fits in with your lifestyle, because it's definitely not a one size fits all, and it's trial and error. You might try something and it might not work for you, or I might eat something and then you try it and it makes you bloat. It's all about trialing things and seeing how your body reacts, seeing what gives you energy and seeing what gets you results, and finding something that you can stick to, you know, for a period of time, then work your way back into a different lifestyle that you'd like if you have an event or something that you want to get in tip-top shape for, but then finding something that you can stick to long term. And that's why we love having myself and Levi to coach everyone through that whole process. First recipe that we are going to make is a keto margarita pizza. Super easy to make, literally takes 10 minutes. Actually, you have to make the base and let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then actually making it only takes 10 minutes. So I'll first show you the ingredients and then I'll show you how to make it. Tasty cheese, mozzarella, olive oil, coconut flour, 1 egg, and tomato paste. You can also use basil on top. I just don't like basil, so I'm not adding it. So it's obviously in my Squad app. It's got a photo of exactly what it looks like. So delicious. And then you just simply scroll down. 1 serving, 10 minutes. It's got the calories, it's got all of your ingredients, and then it's got the instructions on how to make it and all of the info, macro breakdown that you need. That easy. So let's get started. So as you can see, this has been setting in the fridge now for 30 minutes. So it's kind of like a dough texture. So we're just gonna fry that up in the pan, pop the tomato paste on and the cheese on, and that's our little margarita pizza. So now we've done the pizza, we're gonna move on to a keto smoothie. This one is delicious. It's full of healthy fats, obviously, and it's a berry flavor with a vanilla protein powder in there and a couple of other ingredients just to like perfect it. Show you guys a couple of the recipes in our keto app. We have a whole keto program, but these are just some of the recipes that we've got in here. Asian keto tempeh, chopped keto brekkie, Halima keto salad, keto balsamic tofu, bunless burgers. Those Brussels sprouts are amazing. I don't even like Brussels sprouts, but they're so good with the butter. The cheeseburger, obviously chicken and broccoli, margarita pizza, which is what we made, Moroccan tempeh, nourish bowl, delish, I love bowls. Keto pudding, that one, oh my gosh, obviously if you love chocolate, you will love that one. Keto Thai tempeh salad, they're just a couple that I wanted to show you guys, and this is obviously the smoothie that we've made as well, so yum. So as I said before, I don't actually follow keto, but I do love some of the recipes. So I hope you guys enjoyed that because I've definitely had a lot of requests for it. As you guys know, this Friday is Black Friday. It is honestly one of my favorite times of the year to go shopping online because every single brand has specials on. So I thought this year we would do a Black Week special for my keto diet. So normally it is $19.95 and we're gonna slash it 50% for you guys, but only for 300 of you. So if you've been wanting to trial it or have a look at my app and just get some help and assistance, or you've seen it around social media and you're like, oh, I need to try it, then now is the time. So I will link all the details below, but literally 50% off, and you can have access to the full 28-day plan and all of our other meal plans and workouts and everything, but it's only for 300 people and it ends next Saturday. So you have like 6 days to grab it. So I'll link it all below. I really hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, and I almost forgot, as always, I'll be running a competition. This week I'm going to give away this Tarte palette. I'm so lucky that Tarte sent me this, but I have so many eyeshadow palettes. So to be into running to win this, all you need to do is comment below your favorite bit about the video. Maybe it's one of the recipes, maybe it's the pregnancy announcement. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are a subscriber, and then I will randomly pick a winner and pin the comment at the top.